Hi all, it's Liz with Breathe. We're going through and just kind of sharing some of our favorite products that we use and we use as a clinic. The first one that I'm going to talk about is the famous Squatty Potty. You've seen them in our bathrooms, either at Beaverdale or in West Des Moines. You've seen these lovely things lingering by the toilet, and you might be wondering what they're used for, and maybe next time you come in you can try it. So basically what they do is they kind of help, well, they don't kind of, they do help have more efficient and less straining with your bowel movements. So a lot of females come in and sometimes they're having trouble with constipation, or they're having just difficulty using the restroom, and it can place you in the proper position so that you can complete better bowel movements and spend less time in the bathroom. I'll give you a close-up view of it in a second, but just to start, I'm going to show you how to use it. So basically it looks like a little U, and it fits right around your toilet bowl, so then you have a place to store it. You don't have to stick it in a closet. It can sit right up next to your toilet. And so basically what you do is you put your feet on either side of the U, and you can see how my posture has changed. A lot of times when you sit on the toilet, you kind of slump down. So this, just like what we talk about with sitting, when we talk about tilting your pelvis forward to kind of open the pelvis up, same thing here. So you can see how my knees now are above my hips, and so that allows everything to open so you can be a little bit quicker, and it will require less effort for you to complete a bowel movement. I was looking on their website and they mentioned that it requires, or it takes away 91% less straining when you use a Squatty Potty, and also 71% less time to complete a bowel movement. So those are some big number statistics. And so, like I said, we have them here at Beaverdale and in West Des Moines just to try out. We don't sell them, but they are on Amazon for 25 bucks, so super affordable. And for any of you like struggling with constipation, or just feel like you have to push really hard to complete a bowel movement, it might become your new best friend. So let me grab this and I'll show you a little up close on what it looks like. So you can see how it's kind of like a U on top, and so it fits right up nice and close to the toilet. It has a nice place for your feet, and it's super simple, and it can totally help you poop better, which I love that. If you have any questions, by all means reach out to us. Have a good day, guys.